How to share your Instagram Reels to Facebook.
Instagram Reels to Facebook and weren't sure how? Well, here, let me show you. For those who have the video ready to go and it's already on your phone, well, this video is for you. This is a pretty quick and easy method, so let's jump right in.
Select the plus icon to create a reel, then select video to upload. I'll use this meme video. Make sure to select Share to Facebook. After that, I'd also select the Facebook page I'd want to use for this video. Then I'd go to the Meta's Accounts Center. Select Profiles and add your accounts, which mine are already synced. Then go to Share Across Profiles and choose the Instagram again you want to share from, and then the page you want to share to. Make sure Automatically Share is enabled. Without this, future Reels won't be shared onto Facebook Reels. Last but not least, select Advanced Settings and turn on High Quality Uploads.
And for those who already uploaded their reel onto Instagram but want to share it to their Facebook once it's connected with the account center, well, unfortunately, if this function wasn't on before you posted that Instagram reel, you're gonna end up having to video still saved on your phone or on your computer somewhere to re-upload that reel and then get that situated with the correct tags and the title and description that you ever so desire. But other than that, I hope this helps you guys out.
And follow for more.
Leave a like, drop a follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.